What is going on, guys? My name is Lextasy and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. It has been a minute since last time we spoke, and that's because, well, the Durango Hellcat and the F-150 are both being built at Mass Acceleration Motorsports, and the part shortage is insane, so we are stuck waiting there until those get done. So I need more content. So today at 7:30 in the morning, we're driving 4 hours to go pick up our next ride, and if you read the title already, you know exactly what it is. But I am so excited because, well, the last one of these that I had, I never really got to enjoy. So I am beyond excited because I have big plans for this vehicle. So let's get on the road, guys, and I'll see you in the next clip. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been 4-hour drive. We got here to Gainesville, Georgia at my buddy's place at Hayes Chrysler, Jeep Dodge place, but I am buying something that is unfreaking believable. I am beyond excited. Behind me is, or in front of me, is the most sexiest black on black 2017 Nissan GTR I have ever seen. Like, this is the perfect spec I've always wanted. It is a premium, which is amazing because now you got comfortable seats, unlike my 19 GTR Track Edition, which was a horrible drive, especially for 3 hours. It is so freaking sick, and it's already modded. It's got about 35,000 miles on it, meticulously and religiously maintained by one owner. Tons of upgrades, tons of extra parts already given with this car. For the people that watch this channel, you know that I've done a lot of content on the GTR. That's what really started my channel, was having one of those in the Trackhawk, but I never really got to enjoy it because, well, it had a lot of issues. It had a ton of problems. I had to get rid of it, but this one is done right. It's got a few mods already, guys, so it has what looks like a stage 1 or stage 2 kit. And what I mean by that is it does have the carbon fiber intakes already. It's got an intercooler, alpha intercooler, which is so freaking sick. It's got blow-off valves, bigger injectors. I think they're 1300 cc with bigger fuel pumps from what I understand, which is a perfect setup for a flex fuel kit. Unfortunately, that's not done yet, but we will do that. These guys have so much content, like so much good inventory. You got a TRX behind me. You have a Trackhawk there, you got a Shelby there. I mean, dude, like, what? And I've never even heard of Gainesville, but they got so much good stuff. So check them out. Vivek is my buddy. That's the one that did the deal. Definitely hit him up. He will get you a heck of a deal. This sucker is so sick. I can't stop looking at it. Like, legit, I'm so happy to be back in the Nissan GTR. Do not worry, the Durango Hellcat is still here. The Ford is still here, F-150. Everything is staying, guys. We're just gonna have a lot of fun with the fast SUV, fast truck, and a fast car now. So this content is about to be off the freaking chain this year, especially this season. Buying a car, not knowing what's done to it, definitely kind of gives me a little bit of concern. So that's why I am taking this car straight to Cicio Performance, which is about 40 minutes from here. And I want them to look it over, make sure everything's done right, looks legit. And we're gonna start talking about maybe a little bit of doing a little build already, because I want to be on the E85 as soon as possible because I know how big of a difference this makes. But without further ado, guys, let's get this thing on the road and let's just haul butt, man. It's so time. I can't wait. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I legit just got in the car. This is about to be my first pull in what, a year and a half since I've had one, and I am beyond excited, ready, and oh my God, Jesus. Oh yes. Oh, I remember this now. This brings back so many good memories. Oh my God, sounds so good. Oh my God. Oh, that power, the dual clutch transmission. Golly, this thing is gonna be wild. Of course, it's clanky. I remember that. That has never gone away. It's gonna always be that way. But ladies and gentlemen, this is about to be a fun freaking year. I know I got a Durango being built too. I know I have an F-150 being built. I have so much going on. And it's just the fact it's not done is literally the only reason I'm buying this car. So this car has a ton of upgrades already. It's got a Cobb tuner. I think it looks like it's like almost an Alpha 7 package because it's got the carbon fiber intake, the intercooler, the tuner, but it's off the shelf tune, and the guy did it himself. He said 1300 cc injectors, fuel pump upgraded as well, so it's ready. The only thing he didn't do, oh, it's got a Kropovic exhaust, or Armatrix exhaust, I'm sorry. He didn't do the downpipes, and I'm guessing for a good reason, because it's a pain in the butt to do it, and you can shear off the bolts on the headers or the header bolts real easily and stuff. So I'm so stunned right now. I cannot believe this happened. This idea happened yesterday. Like, legit, we thought about it and we were like, hey, let's do it. And then here I am in this car now. Jeez, man. Oh yes. Oh, we're about to have so much fun. Oh, I miss this. Holy mother, I miss this so much. Oh, this is gonna be freaking, I can't believe I'm spinning in like second and third gear doing 40. Oh, I'm shaking, boys, I'm freaking shaking. Sorry, wifey, I left her behind. Oh, and this is not even like in the sport mode. I just realized you got all the transmission modes, traction control, everything. Oh, dude, it feels like a freaking race car. Oh, drop a like for this because it's about to be fun. But anyways, let's get to Cicio. I have never been to their shop, but I know they have some of the fastest GTRs as well, just like Forged. And let's see what they say about this car. Let's see what they think I should do next with it. Ladies and gentlemen, I can't stop smiling. This is going to be, believe it or not, I'm going to daily it like I did the last one and put 20,000 miles in 6 months because we're going to be going to a lot of events. I'm going to get off here for a second. Let me enjoy this car for another 30 miles and then hopefully not get a ticket either. And then I'll see you guys at Cicio's. Ladies and gentlemen, 30, 40 miles down the road and we have made it to Cicio Performance. This place is straight heaven. I mean, you got GTRs, 911 turbos, C8s parked here. This is insane. Like every one of these cars is running well over 1,000 horsepower. This is like, my GTR is literally the slowest one out here. That's how unbelievable this place is. We looked at the GTR and they said that, you know, for the most part it is run on 93. It does have big injectors, needs downpipes for sure, flex fuel kit, and then turbos next. Never mind. I just want to see if she heard me. But he's working up a quote right now to get that done. At one point, I almost got a 911 Turbo S, which everybody knows is an insane car. It's got rear steering, all-wheel drive, of course. But they work on everything. Like legitimately, you ask them a question that like instant answers on what parts you need, what parts you're missing, what's the best product and brand to go with. They got an 800 horsepower twin turbo C8 here as well. So this is like, dude, I was like drooling every car he opened, every hood he opened, and showed me. It's just like, dude, there's so much potential in these cars, man. And quite honestly, I gotta say, dude, this black on black looks so good. Oh wait, it's mine, so that's even better. I'm freaking ecstatic. They did give me permission to go and check out the shop a little bit, so I'm gonna do a quick panoramic, I guess, and show you what's going on in here. God, look at these freaking wheels. Jesus, this is insane. Wow. Then of course the front office, and then this is where the magic happens. So dude, the first thing you see when you walk in is a freaking Lamborghini. Jesus Christ, there's so much going on here, guys. They have a dyno down there. It's got like a 2,000 horsepower car on it, C8s everywhere, GTRs. This is insane. I don't want to bother them, but like, dude, I would live at this place if I could. But seriously, guys, if you need anything done, go to Cicio. I had to whisper there because they were working. I don't want to bother them, but seriously, I'm excited. We're going to get a build sheet going. He's working on it right now. We're just getting started, man. This sucker's going to be it already is, and it drives so comfortable with the better suspension on the premiums. Like, this was an awesome choice. Like, I can't stop talking right now. I'm still blown away that I got another GTR. Oh, the cool thing is that the previous owner gave all the stock parts with the car. So I got the full exhaust, which on the 17s you have, it's titanium, so it's worth a lot of money actually. You got valves on the end as well. You have the cats, which are worth like $2 grand by themselves. So I can literally sell these, make money on it, and use it for parts, and everything else like intakes, injectors, all that's in there. They got carbon fiber intakes from Cobb, so those are worth a lot of money. I don't know why somebody took them off, but as you can tell, we do have some 5-gallon jugs that we're gonna go fill up with the 85, because literally I don't know if anybody else has ever said this, but my wife's SUV Durango Hellcat is on E85. My F-150 1,000 horsepower truck is going to be on E85. My GTR is going to live on E85. So I need a lot of E85 in my life, and it's quite expensive, and then there's no gas stations near me as well. So we're going to have to prepare for some wild nights and wild events this year, guys. Drop a like, drop a comment. I am telling you, you do not want to miss out what's going to happen and what's going to go down this year. Every week you're going to get something wild, I promise you. Like, this is going to be so much freaking fun, and this is just the start. So let's go ahead and see what that quote looks like, and after that, head out home. But I will post a link down below to Cicio, guys. Check them out. Legitimately, they work on everything. There's nothing they don't touch, except probably Vipers, because I mean, there's other people for that. GTRs are just as fast, honestly, if not faster, in my opinion. But I'll see you guys in a second. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we are back home finally after another 4 to 5 hours of driving. 2 hours of driving in Atlanta, enjoying shopping and stuff like that. Oh wow, look at that beautiful sunset, I guess. Wow, it can't end the day any better than this. But this car is straight amazing. I am so in love with it. I'm super excited, but I'm like so tired out and wore out from the drive. Good things about it, pros of course, is the seats are amazing, guys. If you're looking for one, definitely get a premium, because premium seats are way more comfortable than the track black edition. Last one would have hurt my back driving for 4 hours, but this one was amazing. Dude, this black is stunning from every freaking angle, guys. Come on. If this camera would just focus, yeah, look at that. The wheels, normally I would change the wheels out, but in this case, it's doing great. Brake dust wise, we definitely need some new rotors because these are really scraping and they don't sound very well. And you can see they're on the last leg. Now the brake pads are new, so that's kind of weird why they didn't do everything together, especially on 35,000 mile GTR. Tires look really good alignment wise. Things I've looked at, everything is checking out, everything is awesome. The bad thing that I ran into, kind of weird, maybe some of you guys can give me some pointers that have a GTR, have dealt with this. Randomly, very inconsistently, this car will just drop on its face in the middle of like full wide open throttle. First I thought it was intercooler piping, maybe one blew off, but looked, checked everything out, everything's legit. So I have a feeling it's a fuel pressure issue, and most likely, I talked to my buddy Caleb that has like a 2,000 horsepower GTR. He said most likely maybe an O-ring blew off one of the fuel pumps, so I am not sure. Maybe you guys can give me some advice down on the comments below. So yeah, I mean, the car takes off, it does great, but like randomly, it just, you could be doing 100, you could be doing 80, and it'll just flat out fall in his face. It's so random, but I know it's not a big deal, so we will get that fixed because it's going back to Cicio anyways for 85 and turbos and all other goodies very soon, so that will take care of it. But this is what I live for. I live for cars. I mean, we legitimately have so many awesome projects that are going to be close to being finished very soon. We're going to be picking up every week, one out a week, I hope. But as of now, guys, this will be our toy for a little while, well actually for a long time, but you will see it on the channel often. We're going to be going to events, so I'm freaking pumped. I really am. All our vehicles are all-wheel drive. I just realized that. Well, the truck is 2-wheel drive / 4x4. You know, the funny thing is, I'm just going to share this because it's the end of the video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, drop a like, drop a comment. But the money I spent on this car was supposed to go towards starting a real estate business, but I truly believe in doing YouTube. I believe in this channel. I believe in providing fun content. I believe in this hobby / it's starting to be a full-time job, honestly, doing this, and I love it. I really love it. So I hope you guys are enjoying it as well, because there's going to be so much good content coming, and I'm enjoying every second of it. I'm enjoying paying for the bills, for the repairs, because the cars just keep getting faster and the channel keeps growing and everything's just going in the right direction, guys. So I really hope you support me throughout this, because we're spending a lot of money. God, look at that car. I mean, just looking in the camera, it's like, dang, there's not a bad angle on this car whatsoever. But I truly am super excited to get it. I've had R8s, I've had C7Zs, Hellcats, Mopar guy, don't get me wrong, but something about this car, as soon as I got in it, I was like, what made you get it in the first place, man? Why did you like it so much the first time? You know, usually sometimes you overthink it, and like you think you're going to be just as excited about the second car, and you get in, it's like, actually it's not that fun, not that fast. But in this case, it's like it brought all that excitement right back. And I remember every situation I've been with racing and all the things that went wrong with this, so I know what to expect, what to look out for. So, and it's the new body style, which is exactly what I wanted, black on black, and it's going to be super freaking wild. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for enjoying this video. Drop a like, drop a comment, enjoy your lives, enjoy your cars, your trucks, whatever you have, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.